Say goodbye to wasting time on meaningless surveys and hello to a reputable platform that actually pays you for your opinions. In this video, I reveal an amazing Cash App that rewards you with easy money straight to your payable account. Don't miss out on a simple and convenient way to boost your income effortlessly. Watch now. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. I am always sharing new, amazing, and effective methods to make money online, and you can do this from anywhere around the globe. And will be great if you comment down below from which country you are watching this video so I can create specific videos for your region. Don't forget to check out the description box below for a treasure trove of amazing, tested, and effective techniques that will help you generate income from the comfort of your own home. Now let's get started. Make some money on your commute, or get some extra cash in your free time with Queeme. Queeme is a free mobile app and desktop site where you can earn real money for taking paid surveys anytime, anywhere. When you complete surveys, Queeme adds your rewards to your bank account in real time. Plus, with the no minimum cash out amount, you're always in control of your rewards. Queeme not only has surveys, you can also earn cash back from online purchases or get paid to play with the gaming offers. Plus, add Queeme app to your desktop or browser to earn extra cash when you search for your favorite sites and engage with the hottest brands. There's even a fun daily poll where you can share your opinion and see what other Queeme users think. Plus a daily pop quiz. Earn cash for knowing the correct answer. You can cash out to PayPal or Venmo anytime with no minimum cash out amount. There's no limit to how much you can earn with Queeme, and you can start earning today. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to turn your spare time into cold hard cash. Join thousands of satisfied users who have already started earning with this reputable Cash App. In the end, thank you for watching this video. If you liked it and found it helpful, give it thumbs up. Comment and share. Your support matters. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this.